How can I hide my browsing history from my internet service provider, ISP?
Hello viewers. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that many of you have been curious about. How can you hide your browsing history from your internet service provider, or ISP? We value our privacy online, and today we'll share some ways you can maintain it. Let's dive in.
What does your ISP see?
To start, it's important to understand what information your ISP can actually see. Whenever you visit a website, you send a request through your ISP. They can see this information and often keep logs of all your online activities. This includes the websites you visit, when you visit them, and how long you stay there. They may not see the exact content you're viewing if the site is encrypted, but they can still gather quite a bit of data about your online habits.
How to use a virtual private network, VPN.
One of the most effective ways to hide your browsing history from your ISP is by using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN essentially creates a secure, encrypted tunnel between your device and the VPN server, hiding your online activities from your ISP. Once you're connected to a VPN, your ISP only sees that you're connected to a VPN server, not what you're doing or where you're browsing.
What about Tor?
Another way to hide your browsing history is by using the Tor network. Tor routes your internet traffic through multiple servers around the world, making it much harder for your ISP to track what you're doing online. While using Tor can offer a high level of anonymity, it can also slow down your internet speeds significantly.
Does Incognito mode help?
Many people might think using Incognito mode or private browsing can hide your activities from your ISP. However, this is a misconception. Incognito mode only keeps your activities hidden on your local device. It doesn't hide your online activities from your ISP, websites you visit, or from any network observers. And that's a wrap. We've covered how your ISP can track your activities and what steps you can take to keep your browsing history private. The most effective methods are using a VPN or the Tor network. Remember, while these methods can significantly enhance your online privacy, no method is 100% foolproof. Always stay aware and exercise caution online. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, your privacy is worth protecting. See you in the next one.